Ever heard that mysterious rumble from your tummy and wondered what's really going on in there? It's not always just hunger.
That gurgling sound, scientifically called borborygmi, is actually air and liquid sloshing around as your digestive system does its job. That mid-morning slump kicks in, and your body starts craving quick energy. Hello, sugary snacks and extra-large lattes. You're likely to overcompensate, reaching for less healthy options to power through. When your stomach is empty, there's less food and fluid to muffle those sounds, making the gurgles much louder and more noticeable. So next time your belly rumbles, remember it's just your amazing digestive system hard at work, keeping you healthy and happy. Pretty neat, huh?